thank Dipti and Ajay ji. At least we had a chance to see a Kashmiri movie. खेल
हमारा क्या मूवी के सर
We are really proud.
विनायक जी करो ना थैंक यू तुमसे बनामुसन मूवी
Please convey our thanks to him on behalf of all Kashmiri of Southern California.
थैंक यू
Amazing movie.
मारा एनी कमेंट्स एनीवन
Very touching.
Very emotional.
Very touching. Very.
Very emotional.
In some ways heartrending, but most of the movie was about relating, very relatable, all of the and a lot of good humor. So it made us laugh a lot.
Yeah, absolutely.
So
मारा संजू जी क्या शोना
Yeah, it took us down memory lane. Well, yes, literally, we had tears in our eyes. To be honest. Yeah.
दीप्ति जी क्या
It was funny, heartwarming, and emotional all at the same time.
एनीवन एल्स एनी अदर
It
कमेंट्स
actually has conveyed everything our community stands for. A truly apolitical, non-political movie in recent years, which conveys everything in 1 hour.
एक्सीलेंट
God bless the team.
मारा थैंक यू विनायक जी थैंक यू
This picture has been really wonderful. Who have been facing this problem in '89,
Right.
and those people who must have seen it, they must have got the tears also at the same time.
हमारा कशर पट बनी हमारा कशर पट बनी है मिस हमसे जो कशर तक है
हाँ,
सॉरी
ठीक है मैं तो यही कह रहा हूँ कि जो पार्टीशन में गिराए ना तमीज तो मैं कुता का मुश्किल कितना उन्होंने सेक्रीफाइस किया बच्चों को कैसे पढ़ाया उन्होंने जिन्होंने वो देखा होगा दे मस्ट बी रियली गेटिंग टीयर्स
या
और कौशिक भट्ट you shouldn't be ashamed. They are not beggars, but they have worked so hard in their life. They could stand on their own legs. So we appreciate all Kashmiri Pandits. I am also one of them. I am
thank
also
you.
facing the same problem.
Yeah, that's true.